keep up with oh. Alright guys, so basically what I've got going on here is I've got a ton of underbrush in these trees, and the house is going to be over in that direction, but you couldn't even walk through here yesterday. It was so thick I needed to get some work done, so I didn't video it, but I'm gonna video some today. And it was just plumb full of holly trees, sweet gums, but I've got some pretty trees in here I'm trying to save. So like here is here's a big beautiful white oak. Look how big this holly is. I mean, it's probably 6-7 inches in diameter. So there's gonna be a lot of these trees I'm gonna save and not take out, but I've got to open this up so we can see in here. Look how big that holly tree is. So that's why I call it Holly Ridge Homestead. The reason why we're clearing and opening this up is my daughter is big into horses. She barrel races. She wants to be a trainer. I need a place for her to do her training here at our place. I'm thinking this probably right here would open up to be a good training area for her. It's just a thought right now. I don't know for sure if this is where it's going to be. But I just got ton of stuff to get on the ground and burned. So during when the tree still had leaves, I marked some of these trees to know exactly if it was a sweet gum or something I needed to take out. And what I did is on the west side of these trees, I put a little orange dot. And this is a sweet gum. I don't like them. They do a pretty leaf during the fall, but they're not good for anything here for us. We don't burn it, and so that one will come out. So today I'm gonna come over here and start thinning this out. I've got a few more trees over there I need to take out before we get over here. So I'm gonna come through here, thin this out. I've got a lot of hollies in here I need to take out. Things that are close to my nut producing trees. We're leaving the acorn trees, so I've got to get them cleaned up and moved around. But yeah, so we are just a little closer, a long ways from where we need to be to even start building, but we're a little closer to having this cleaned up. Got a lot of burning to do this winter. So one of our goals for 2021, still December 2020, but one of our goals for 2021 is to start building the house back here. So yeah, we're so excited. Just so much closer to being debt free. Right now we're nowhere near it, but I figure within a year we will have everything paid for, and we're going to try to acquire some more land next to us. Anyways, so it's time to get to work. got more to do through here, but we've got a big storm coming, and I need to kind of start working on this area over here. It's going to help us kind of lay out everything. Like I said, I've got more stuff to do over here, but I need to get over here on this area closer to where the house is going to be and kind of open it up some more so we can see how we want things laid out. So now the goal is to come through here, thin this out. I've got some sweet gums and some other things I need to take out, but come through here, thin this out. I've got plenty of hardwood in here that I need to save. Get these little trees that are taking all the nutrients away, and just go through here, clean this out, make it open, and then kind of work that way. But the wind's picking up. Storms won't be long from now, and we need to keep going. So let's get back to work. don't feel like it has any heat or anything, does it?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
It's just like it just took the skin off or whatever.
Well, the pus means some sort of infection, so we're gonna have to keep up. Oh. Keep up with oh. All right. Oh. Is that good? A better?
Yeah, itchy.
Yep. All right. Well, be careful.
Okay.
Yep. All right. Well, Hannah's out riding, and got a lot of her trails covered up, but we're making progress through here. I was just explaining to her about right here where the mini hoe is. We can possibly put the round pin right here because there's a lot of trees, a lot of small trees I can take out and be inside these big oak trees. But yeah, we might be able to put the round pin right here, and that would give her a good area in the shade during the summer, and we would be able to see her on the back of the house in case she ever got herself in trouble or got hurt while she's training. But anyways, so you can kind of see through here. Really got a lot of stuff on the ground. Got a lot more to get on the ground. I'm gonna have to have a bigger machine on some of these other trees to guide them, get them on the ground. But these little things, I can still get that going, and I've got plenty of work to do. But anyways, I'm gonna keep going, and we'll see how it all comes out. Rain's holding off. That's good. Rain is holding off. Well, I've gotten quite a bit done. I've been on the track, on the mini hoe all day. Hadn't even taken a lunch. I'm getting hungry, really hungry. But basically, I've gone completely around the outside perimeter of where the house is going to be. I still have a lot more to do. Went down this area. It goes down towards my creek, and just making trails, trying to make areas where my tractor could get in there and do some work. But tomorrow I'll be back out here, and I'm gonna start working in here a little bit and try to get some of these trees out. But I am tired, guys. This is all. I'm done. Hope y'all enjoyed watching the video. Subscribe, share, tell all your friends, and we'll see you on the next video.